Hi cookmates, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a new subscriber, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, I love you as always. Today we are making chicken sauce and egg rice. Let's get started by shredding our chicken breast and marinate it. Let's start shredding the chicken into a long size shape. I mean, you can do any shape of your choice, but since it is a shredded chicken, it has to go this way. Shred everything, and this is what it looks like. Transfer this into a bowl, and we can start adding our seasoning. I started by adding thyme, rosemary, paprika, oregano, chili flakes, corn flour, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, sesame oil, and oyster sauce. Mix everything together with a clean hand, or you can use a glove. Make sure everything is thoroughly mixed so that our chicken can be coated very well, and just get that sweetness. I mean, everything will get into it. Set that aside in a very warm place, a cool place, and let's start cooking our rice. Add your rice, add your washed rice, salt, oil, and we can get back to prepping our veggies. I started by cutting the three bell peppers. As you can see, we have red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and green bell pepper. Cut them into your desired shape. I want this to be chunky because of the recipe I'm creating. Dice everything, cut everything, and set it aside. And we are doing the same thing to our carrot. We are doing the same thing to the onion. Dice, cut into your desired shape. A bit junky because of the recipe we are creating. We are using this for the egg rice. And afterwards, I'll proceed to chop my garlic and ginger. Now let's proceed into frying our chicken. I didn't add any oil or butter or margarine. I wanted it to cook a little bit before I had my margarine. Now the rice is almost done. I added red kidney. I've soaked it a day before. I don't remember to show you guys, but I added it. Now I've added my butter. This is margarine. Yeah. I added more margarine, not just that much, just that I didn't capture it. Now the chicken is done, and I'm scraping it out and set it aside. Now add oil into your pan. Add your pepper. This is habanero pepper. Fry it. At this point, the rice is completely done. I'll just turn it into a bowl to fluff it out. I proceeded in adding the ginger and garlic, stir it together very well, let it fry, and add your onions, let it fry together. Then I proceeded to add the carrots and the bell peppers, stir it together on a very high heat so that it will get fried. It will get fried on time and not get soggy. I added black pepper. I love my food spicy, especially this kind of recipe. I added the chicken. I added salt and Maggi to taste a little bit because we've added dark soy sauce. Now let's add our slurry. This contains water and corn flour mixture. Add it, stir it together. It was too thick, so I added a bit water. Can you say it looks like? And now our sauce is ready. Yes. So let's proceed to make our egg rice. Add vegetable oil, add onion, and add your rice. Stir it together very, very well on high heat. And now it's time for us to add our egg. I cracked 2 eggs. You can use more than 2. Stir it together very well and mix everything together. You have to do this very well so that your rice will not be smelling of raw egg. Once it is very, very stirred together, cover it, let it cook or let it steam, and our rice is done. Look at what we have here. Let's dish it so that you can see what it looks like. Yes, this is looking beautiful already, and trust me, it tasted so good. The sauce tasted really, really, really well. And don't mind my rice. The plate I use in molding the rice is big. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.